Okay.
20到20。
Now we turn on the machine. Press for a while to turn on the machine. Now we click the small handle for face treatment. Click strip it. Click the face part. Now we adjust the power. There is the 1 to 15 and in general we select the 20 to 25 and adjust the duty factor. We select 20 and the timer. In general we select 4 minutes and okay, we start the treatment. Connect the line on handle. And connect another line on the part. Put the part on the pencil pad. Put the gel on the pencil's face. We change the part on the down head of the pencil. We select the large handle treatment and adjust the power number. The first time we select the 40 and adjust the cooling. First time we select off and start the treatment. Now we start the second treatment. We adjust the power. Second time we set the power into 1 and adjust the cooling. The second time we set the cooling into 10 and start treatment. Okay.